this lecture, we're going to go over how to use the strict flag to lint or do something analogous to linting your code. True JavaScript linting is different than what we're going to do today. Using strict mode will only catch a certain subset of issues, and it won't catch syntax errors that don't cause major issues. Using strict mode, however, will allow you to catch issues such as declaring global variables or trying to delete undeletable properties or other silently failing assignments, etc. So to demonstrate this, we are going to copy index.js once again to index-strict.js. I'm going to open up this one, and I'm going to run this file in strict mode so that you can see how it would normally go. Rather than starting this with node index.strict.js, I'm actually going to start it with node and then a flag --use _strict and then index-strict.js. As you can see, the execution is happening as normal. I'm going to kill that. And now, within the top, I'm going to declare a global that strict mode should catch. So rather than calling var foo equals bar, I'm going to get rid of this var, which will by default create a variable at global scope, which is generally something you want to avoid. And so strict mode is going to catch that. So let's restart the app using the use strict flag. And you can see it actually threw a reference error saying foo is not defined. Let's restart this without the use strict flag. I'm just going to call node index-strict.js. You can see that it starts up as normal. It's only when we use the use strict flag that these things that are normally ignored, like syntax errors or reference errors that don't cause major issues, actually end up crashing the app. Using use strict when starting up your app can help you diagnose a number of issues. And so I'd recommend that you get familiar with using it within Node.js as you debug your applications. With that, we can move on to the next lecture.